Welcome po uli sa ating channel, Ellis Choice Carrera Tips, Sariling Giya. October 4, 2025, araw tayo ng Sabado, 7 meter races pa rin at 4 PM start time. Okay, bago tayo mag-start, shoutout ko lang Sir Rafael Rason, then kay Sir Jerome Monteroso, and then syempre kay Sir Ronnie De La Cruz. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Okay, game race number 1, winner take all. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Dito ako, pampremero ko yung 4. Goddess Soteria, Cheric Pastoral. Panigundo ko yung 5. Perpetuator with Jigger Paano. 4-5, race number 1. Race 2, pick 6, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Pampremera ko na rin, 4. Brig Leftover with Eminem Gonzalez. At panigundo ko yung Espolarium number 8 with A.R. Villegas. 4-8, race 2. Race 3, pick 5, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Ang primero ko, si Bound number 10 with J.B. Hernandez. Panigundo ko, Open Billing number 1. Pati Dilemma, sama ko yung number 3. Bride 3 with R.M. Garcia. 2-1-3, race number 3. Pick 4, race number 4, class 4. 42 to 56 split. Pampremero ko 7. Light Bearer with Isaac Ace Aguila. And then second choice ko yung 1. Viva de Oro with Danny Boy Camanero. 7-1, race number 4. Huling BD plus 1, race 5, class 4, 42 to 56 split. Pampremero ko, Kangkalo Queen number 4 with JT Sarate. Panigundo ko yung 7, Club Habana with Mark Alvarez. 4-7, race number 5. Race 6, penultimate race, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Ang primero ko, 7A Etnad with JD Yuko. Panigundo ko yung sa East Bababoom with John Alvin Guse. At third choice ko yung numero 2, Grand Monarch with JD Flores. 7-6-2, race 6. And then race 7, huling karera, class 5, 17 to 41 split. Ang primero ko, Isla Puting Bato. Number 14 with Isaac Ace Aguila. And then second choice ko yung Elegant Lady. Number 12 with MP Cañete. 14-12, race 7. Good luck po, happy racing and God bless.